Diski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50. World Sports Betting, proud sponsor of eDiski TV.
eDiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Golden Arrows 1 in the DStv Premiership. Of course, these are the final fixtures of the year for us as eDiski TV. We'll come back on the 2nd when Sundowns take on Orlando Pirates in the DStv Premiership. We hope you enjoy the festive season. It was a game, a fixture that had to be honored. The two teams played, but for the most part, really, not too much goalmouth action. In the first half, yes, but in the second half, really, I don't remember goalkeeper Golden Arrows making too many saves, Mamelodi Sundowns making so many changes, but of course Junior Kanye is our analyst. He'll give you an analysis of what he thinks happened in the game as well. There was a major incident towards the end of the game where Dennis Onyango should have been red carded and the penalty awarded to Golden Arrows, but unfortunately none of the officials seem to have seen that action, with the referee speaking to a fourth official, but nothing materialized out of that. Junior, overall, are you happy with the result? What did you see today?
Yeah, Ngululeko Maprada man, it is police these people. Yeah, I want to wear like this because of them. Yeah, Ngululeko. I game we bonile Maprada. Now I think you saw it. Not one of the expected game. The way we're expecting a corner.
Yeah.
It's coming a vibe. The way Sundowns, especially the long corner currently. Everybody is on the Sundowns. No mangabe. Bakchela namhlanje ukuthi is playing now mhlambe 5 minutes before you run to go and see Sundowns. Sikhuluma nge-club that currently they are Absa Premiership champions. Yeah, ku DStv bahleli ku number 1. Ukora ke bakusinkinga, but inkinga yabo izolo mangenza video now utshelile Nkuleko. You can't chop and change. You can't. Akusi must. Signing players to have it to Ukraine Nkuleko. Sharp, good right. Those players the question ukuthi mabazongena are they going to meet the standards alabachita labadlala na. Sikhuluma nge-match fitness, hayi i-fitness. Match fitness. Are they ready now? I mean, ngitshelile mina Nkuleko ngithi uMthobi Mvala ngisazoyibeka mina. I'm not going to go around the push. Mthobi Mvala mina still believe it doesn't deserve to be there. Because the position I understand ukuthi iphi. He's playing a center. I think he was playing center back today. When he's going to be registered to Sundowns, also registered center back. Technique, passing, problem. Nguleko. You understand? Umchita futhi enye into emshaya. Mina ilengi engixaka ngaye kakhulu. Umchita ufuna ukugijima nebhola from ukusuka njengala ukuya lapha kule camera. Ask ukuthi I'm not comfortable. It end up losing so many balls. Ibulali confident. Kululeko iSundowns yenza ama changes angekho la kungamelanga. Ama-draw Sundowns ayenza ama-changes amaningi. Draw, lose yenza ama-changes ku-Sundowns. It tells you ukuthi mina ngisazosho namanje there's something wrong there. Ngisazoyiphinda uPitso Msimani when he left ku-Sundowns. Mina I believe ukuthi Mr. Msimani he has done a lot. 7 seasons, about 11 trophies at Downs. Into engazange yenzeke. If Msimani they were on the right mhlambe between him and technical team beba on the right track bebangahlala naye phansi bamconvince ukuthi ungahambi. I mean he has done a lot, he has done well. Umchithu ufaka stars, won so many trophies with Downs. Bebangamconvince ukuthi sokunika le mali unikwa le team. But mina mangi observe ngikhuluma ngoJunior Kanye ngi-observe there was something wrong. Kululeko lama chop and change enzo namhlanje ukutshelile ku Downs ngathi we know ukuthi the culture the way they badlala ngakhona okanye na the way basebenza ngakhona izinto awufika ku Downs udlala Nkuleko. You come and observe bakufaka mhlambe kungaba slowly. Ngenzele nje example by yesterday ngathi Pesita has come, he has never played, he came, was known, come back slowly but gradually came. Maunga check omunye ukama Billiard when he come from Ajax bemfaka slowly. Kigen Dole as well. Baning Andy the child sit about 2 to 3 years angadlali. Start play at Pirates and then gradually uba hungry. We understand ukuthi sifuna nguwe. Now these coaches that they've got now Nkuleko, they come players abayibalance team yabo. Sharp angisho ukuthi ungizwe kahle. Those are not the bad coaches. They are good coaches, make no mistake. But it's team yabo mina banokwenza amanye ama decision. That's the difference between them and Pitso. Ukungazi ukuthi umfana mele ngimdlalise when. Kule vibe ku Sundowns now. Everybody is playing Sundowns. Ku number 1. It's gonna be something else. They lift it. It's times 2 performance. Like abachita, they baba encouraging ngendlela mangazange kululeko. So amawudlane Sundowns ihleli lapha kungukuthi wazi kahle ukuthi Sundowns current Absa Premiership champions and currently DStv Premiership leader. The way badlala ngakhona, each and every game they dominate. It's not going to be easy. The opponent badlala ngeke kube simple nkuleko.
I just want to pick up on this thing. Okay, let's have a look at now. What are your options? So Kekana out, Rivaldo out, and I hate saying this shit as well. Siluzeno Madisha foot, and this breaks my heart, but he's not there as well. Erasmus out, Zwane knock. So what do you do? Like, I mean, when they are put in a position where they have to make the changes, if you were in their situation, what would you do?
The answer is simple. Ukapinga umbonile badlala minus talent poach Nashville Domingos. Ngikhuluma ngoShman Timungos.
2.
Yeah, ubaqalela ane benchini.
Yes.
Ubaqala kanjani uPromise Mkhuma? Yeah, we're talking about players that lo mfana lo Mkhuma, I love the boy. He's got the potential akakasibonisa. Sikhuluma ngeDStv Premiership. Umfana sikhuluma manje ukapinga ungenile noShman Timungos. Enkuleko isole man 2 games my brother.
Yeah.
I rather start with them. Ngoba libele babafaka gradually. Each and every game sub when they come second half, but it's different. It's like it love, but fit like it love, and kube sparks eteke more. Now if you play these players, bagcineni no promise ngikhuluma ngaye, ugcineni nibambi 18. Or promise Mkhuma if you play him, ugcineni nibambi 18. Not only him, mfana uya ku Ajax. You breaking that thing now. So ibulelo ilimazile already.
So there's 2 other players you still have to play. So on the point you're going to, changes are going to have to be made. They're going to have to be made. If you have 4 knocks, you're going to have to put 4 people. I agree with you, obviously. You were playing with Domingo, so it doesn't make sense why you're not going to put him in. Yeah. And you were playing Kapinga, why you're not putting him in. But you're still going to have to make changes in 2 other positions as well.
I think Sundowns should have scored by many goals today. Yeah, but if they played, if these players start, Mkhuma, angakuniki nikusumfana uzomplima ugcineni ngidlala Mkhuma competitive game.
Yeah, I think last season.
You understand? Now sikhuluma ngeSundowns edlala about 7-8 games in a row, competitive game. Yangazwa ngibamba is not nowhere to be seen. Kapinga has been participating in management Timungos. Nenze blanda. And then nizofaka nalo mchita lo Ajax. Him nowhere to be found even last season. Nimlahlela first lineup. You are exposed. You killing the player. Ile bayenze mawunga check. And my fans very dangerous. Umonile Mabuye. He was signed as a star player. Respect. He never gave anything. Mbugeli came now Pitor about Msljane Celtic Sundowns. People keep him offense. So it's dangerous now. Lenta bayenza kula bafana. Manje kule ma game bayibone namhlanje. After watching this game, they will say they're giving us fuck all. And then these 2, it's understandable. Jobusho, Mudisha, it was a must. You understand? It was a must. But to Kora, I don't think we will be in terms of if Kapinga started. Edem Shambe na lumchita lo Domingos. Then playing these players they don't have any understanding. Umfana usesemncane kusamele prove. Udlala nabantu abaziprovile. The pressure is too much for him. Baziprovile psychological umfana ke Cochrane kuleyo. And then you play this Ajax guy. Ngisazobe is good but people mina ngisazoyibeka. Ubuya kwesiphi structure. Bafethu ngicela sibheke if this boy uzotunzima bekadlala compete against who.
So how long is it going to take you to realize go to good or good? So this was his first 60 minutes to Sundowns. Yeah. How long does it take in a football club to realize Tumundo is not good enough? Because like you were saying, Kangadale the whole time, Bamfaga in the deep end. So you are making that point to Guti. They are exposing him. It doesn't mean that he's a bad player, but today he hadn't played in a very long time since he signed the season.
Kulego mina will tell you after 2-3 games ngalo mchita. Mina I junior Kanye. I will tell you ukuthi umchita alright can fit at Sundowns. Yeah. Let's see if Guti is a good player. Because talent is not enough. You need a big heart. Udlala nabo bahani lapha. So can you ngizokutshela 2-3 games I will able to tell ukuthi umchita is the right choice for Sundowns or never. So lama drawings just to buyela ku point lam now. Sure. Sundowns ibona draw now. Ilama necessary ama changes. I understand that others they were injured, but in Kulego, when you make those up, Okapinga was there because not can you play them? I change that much team. No more answers by 2 probably. but now uchinja the whole system khulumana up front uzokora kanjani because ayinankinga nokore Sundowns you understand so enye into engibuzayo where's this guy number 10 of Sundowns lo bakorele ku Nedbank manje uSerino where's he injured?
He had a situation in transfer Userino, but I think Sundowns over the past 7 games that Bangu number 1 and winning 5 matches, 2 draws, now 3 draws. He hasn't played. Like
I understand.
He hasn't played, and he inhliziyo yakhe ayikho Sundowns lamthetho ufuna uya kulama Arab ufuna ulandela uPitso.
Okay.
So ayongxaki ye coaches leyo. Inhliziyo yakhe ayisekho ku Sundowns akafuni yena.
Okay, can I tell people mina sikhuluma ngomuntu that has proved himself here. Very professional enough. I believe mina. Contract.
He was shooting videos during a training to show he was defying Sundowns. Amajita train shoot the video like pool table nomfazi wakhe. Inhliziyo yakhe ayikho apha lamjita.
Okay, Ngulego, if injalo I didn't know the situation yakuSerino but he is a quality player.
For sure.
Masikhuluma ngalabafana bomkhuma. I'm telling you sazobuya ngibuze very dangerous again. Ukufaka bomkhuma ba compete against abobani. It seems being an anking or today they playing but let it draw. Giving nothing.
No shots at goal.
We understand. They're gonna be charged. People are fans of fun now and understanding.
For sure.
It's gonna be power to coaches and players. So mina ngule ngbuza question ukuthi why bangaqala ngayo kapinga shmente mungoza abafana bezese sub. It's good it's up njani and that's why ngikutshela ngithi mina amanye I respect them the difference between them and Pitso. Mina excitement yabasha man and nokungazwani ngisayiphinda lento ngeke nga-issue mina ngiphinde ngiyibone Nkululeko ngoba mangibheka mina I don't think with this knowledge that they've got bangahluleka ukubona ukuthi this is a winning team bayishintshe no ways Nkululeko you can't.
Yeah, I mean same point again. Wrong substitutions up front, yes, but whether you liked it or not today they were going to have to make 4 changes. Whether, and that's always your point to changes. But namhlanje they were going to have to make 4 changes. Obviously, they made changes that don't make sense. It doesn't make sense that Umkhumo Zamtata after a whole season Umagaman didn't play the whole season. It doesn't make sense. But whether you like it or not, they were going to make changes. Anyways, let's touch on Golden Arrows because that was the other team here. They engaged. They came here. We can't be unfair to them. Amanda Ngazi came here. It was a home game. Anyways, Bona they buy to pitch. They could have won this game. Let's talk about them and maybe even a situation Yaga Onyango where it could have been a red and a penalty as well. Arrows namhlanje, do they deserve a point at home?
Ashmina lama coaches lawa ngiyazi ebantwini nakuwe Nkululeko you give him 6 draws to win. No, DSTV Premiership ile ngihlale ngidebate na sikhuluma ngeteam akusi team ku-SAB then DSTV Premiership. Those players they professional footballers. They can call up for a national team ba meet na labafana be Sundowns abomshishi. It's the same.
But still it doesn't change the fact that they are probably the 8th best team in the league. The corner team, whether we like it or not, in the room Sibangabis by 5 or 6. There's a tallest guy and there's a shortest guy. Even if Omnia is slightly taller than the other, there's a reality you go to call any team in 100 million and in 10 million. That's like the life here for If that's not true, my winning league Golden Arrows Goms. If that's not true with their players about winning league Goms, the last thing they won was in 2008 MTN 8 Beshaya 6-0 Ajax Cape Town. This is to reflect by football in general. Manchester City Burnley will lose 100 times out of 101 times.
Junior Kanya will never ever get confused about those things. Proper assessment with the knowledge person was the baller. That man is fuck all. With proper assessment, with Lomfana, a proper knowledgeable scout and coach, with the proper assessment, it's very easy to be a player. I can't do it now. Overnight.
Yeah, obviously.
I mean, I'll start everything fresh.
Yeah, for sure.
Being appointed, I'll appoint about 6 in Kulmange development with this and this and this out. Even those players out. Can I start a fresh mean? Sure. And then give it time. And then now among fail, I'm coming in example in 5 years, leave me. And then Lapunga. Now there's no proper assessment. Jobang issue when this in the back room. Umnyango lo skenangale angeke ucompete ne-Sundowns vele i-foundation ayiqinanga. So Nkululeko, just to answer you, ungizwe kahle abo-Sundowns bayadleka amanye ama-team. I've seen that.
Yeah, for sure.
I-DSTV Premiership team. So masosho kanje mina ngisasho namanje credit inyabanika ukuthi babambi iSundowns i-credit engibanika yona sikhuluma nge-club that currently in DStv Premiership they beating people and bahleli ba currently ba ama Premiership champions labantu bawina ama trophy 3 bewabeke on the table competitive last season and badlala i-Champions League ungizwe kahle Nkuleko for the fact ukuthi be stable ingaphumi relegate Arrows there's something egrande bayenza kahle but abayenzi is not 100%. Ilente point lami ngilishoyo. I understand we are sure this season I can't say they can win a league. But with njengoba ngitshela mabangaba ne proper bazinike isikhathi ukuthi cash up now we building into ezoba continuous with knowledgeable people. Mali aside chance this development yabo I believe in that many plum imbewu yakho migraine izoma lesihlahla imbewu been tested emotional football wise at the early age umfana umkhiphe proper assessment uhamba phezulu ulanda abafana abo Arrows the reason wena angeke iziwini league manje kunama player engakhi lapha abalande boCastle how many players did from Castle or SAP okanye mhlambi ilo iMtsipe League
most years MTC most of Arrows players come
did you see MTC at DStv Premiership now there's no hang about televisor each and every day when I watch them mina ngiyaxolisa I'm sorry yabona ezinye izinto it's truly amazing joke I truly amazing joke ilento ukutshela Nkuleko ngithi yabona I'm sorry ngizoyibeka straight angifihli ama players eGolden Arrows mina ngadebate the whole year ukuthi mabangathi it's a small team sharp in reality fact ukuthi manje Sundowns like it win but they do things properly they were doing things properly khona lengwenye ipitso bebenza izinto properly but now mina ngisazokutshela Nkuleko if lama team wonke mawufuna ucompete nabo Towns ngiyenzi na last iske side debate sayikhuluma not debate person if they can do things properly bangayenza imbombayi ukuthi wazibani is no longer about talent ukuthi ngena bani manje he must come and then ngizodlala ngena lo and then he must come and play lo mfana ngimbonile adlala ama Phillies game I sign him he must play against the Derby okanye ama Phillies game and DStv Premiership ukuthi ube star player is not going to be the same bra you need a proper assessment you must prove yourself you understand iko ngisho ngithi mina ngiphinde ngiplay media masothi manqoba ubani unqikazi the guy yeah in 6 games we draw 6 or win I draw 6 give me ungizwe kahle I can do better bro is a South African coach ilento ezoyenza ukuthi balanda abantu eEurope and then he must win okanye mhlambe ungizwe kahle kimi ngiyazi udlala neSundowns but lama game amanye bengadlala neSundowns ngibukelile Arrows today abafana sharp I reality the energy today any ground Sundowns bephinde ngibonile bekuba inkinga ngoba le ball I think bekune Santo and bumpy as well and I think psychologically Arrows yenze ngamabomu angisho ukuthi kunjalo ungizwe kahle I'm not saying it's but bedlala mathi I suspect ukuthi sidlala ne team more fluid asise lapha izoba nenkinga akanjalo sorry I'm sorry going nowhere you're not going to win anything. Be fair to yourself, my brother. Yenzi proper assessment. Ugozi check ukuthi ume kanjani. Approach with the right yiko ngithi mina ngiyaxolisa. iSundowns ayiko balance Arrows they failed to beat Sundowns. I-reason pin check lama player lapho ukuthi bawathathephi. Mina ngakutshela ulandele history ukuthi where they come from. Never from proper structure set development never ever. Yeah,
I mean, there is a reality though. I would like to continue with the conversation, but I think we are long into the video as well. There is a reality, Oguti. If you come into the room with 100 million and I only come into the room with 500,000, you are very stupid if you lose to me. If when you pay 100 million and pay 500,000, but for some reason you still lose, you still lose. You still lose. Like it doesn't make sense. That's why I'm saying, Gucci, there is that reality that a certain team, if an Arrows, will never be able to compete. I hear your point about employing proper people, good development that could take you years, and I think they've tried that. Golden Arrows, they even won MTC in 1 year, and for the most part, even most of their players come from the KZN, and they have played in their MTC structure. They have played. So it's not easy. I mean, even in the history of Absa Premiership, it's been 23 years now. Sorry, PSL, 23 years since 97. We can calculate how many teams is Lamba using Mali that have won. Manning Rangers, 1997. 2001, Santos. Other than that, the team is Mali. Kaiser Chiefs, Pirates. Supersport United, Naina Mali. Bidvest once. Mamelodi Sundowns 10 times. For the most part, scientifically, team is Mali. This was winning league.
The question is how many times we competing in the world as national team. Downs with Downs players and Pirates and Chiefs. How many times that we competing? Group stages go through with those money. We're not doing things properly. How many times do we go through? 10. Africa Cup of Nations now. Are we going to qualify? Are we going to go through? With this money and Pirates and Chiefs and Sundowns? No ways. Question mark. Still go back. Can we do things properly? Can these resources by share be properly? And then you'll see we'll compete. And then it's about now if you go continue like this, Arrows psychological I'm I on a pale. Won't get a team is 16 years team selling not only Chiefs, but the Chiefs and Pirates they have to, they are big team. But the more you win, a lot is expected from you. So I understand the statement, the reality as we show history, numbers don't lie. But the fact how many times do we compete in the national team with those kind of players? No ways.
Yeah, but still it doesn't answer the point. Arrows, league. It does. You are making a good point that the Kaizer Chiefs, with all their money and Pirates and Sundowns, they're still taking shortcuts in recruiting players. But that's not the point on behalf of the Arrows, Namazulu, nezinye teams that you can argue that they don't have money. They need finances to be able to compete. So I've never seen Arrows winning the league, and I will probably die without them winning the league unless we injection 100 million and they can buy Sereno. Guy available Sereno, they can compete, and guy available any player they can compete. Just like Sundowns had 13 players that they bought with a lot of money. Arrows cannot be able to compete at that level. Yes, they could develop players and it could take them 10 years, but without the money, unfortunately, they're not going to be able to play at the higher level. I saw them lose a go and 100 million, 10 million. I would kill myself next day if I can lose to you when I'm 10 million, 100 million. It doesn't make sense.
Advise about Arrows, Amazulu, Black Leopards, stop scum defender. Angekudlala abantu benu abay 18 eNatali bonke. Never. Can they compete? Can they go ever? Uba lazy kala. That's what I'm saying. And then you go to Black Leopards, go and check with how many players from last time I'm a player from Chozo Sugala. With so now, it's just one season, a big high profile player. Abagwazi beggars they will keep with the Bakeleze. If they bring those players with the high profile Jobu showing, proper Jobang issue, by go lazy. And blazing about be honest to themselves. If we bring these people, we're creating a competition with our proper structure. The competition is high, we can compete with these people. We bring so to learn. As example, we bring junior to learn. And then it's going to be a competition with these kids learning as well. Now, you going to hard on them. Check how many players Senatali. They only now you go be chairman, but it's not gonna happen overnight. Give it the time. Those players, unfortunately, never manage cut because it's column down. It's got it but click. In name on the paper, it doesn't. They must click. Click it, team. It doesn't come overnight. So answer my brother. I understand the Arrows is doing well according to Jobusho
I'm not arguing that they're doing well. I'm saying for Arrows. For an 8th best team to be unbeaten after 8 games, it's not good to have 6 draws, obviously, but for the Arrows, they have to get something, and at least they haven't lost a game. Of course, you have to have higher standards, but the Arrows, I saw the Sundowns, I saw the Super Sport, or even Orlando Pirates.
I think then they mustn't call them to the national team. I understand they mustn't call them to the national team. Yeah.
All right, there you go. Lovely conversation, lovely debate as well. Hope you enjoyed it. Mamelodi Sundowns won, Golden Arrows won in the DSTV Premiership. It is time.co.za, WSB.co.za. We apologize if this is too long for your data, but yeah, it is the nature of a football and conversation as well. Hope you enjoyed the video.